Sound the righteous hand, Babylon tremble, fear the call, thunder break them system wall, every clap of prophecy, thunder roar eternally. Children stop and listen clear, thunder say Jah always near, elder lift them and so high, thunder echo across the sky. Not of terror, not of hate, thunder seal Jah righteous faith. Every roll a holy flame, thunder glorify Jah name. Desert quake and forest cry, thunder echo far and high, ocean wave and rivers flow, thunder let the nations know, no false king can hide away, thunder of Jah here fi stay, generation hear the sound, thunder shake the battleground. Prophet chant and priest proclaim, thunder speak Jah mighty name, Babylon weapon can't compete, thunder call make truth complete, every ear must hear the sign, thunder voice is pure divine, from creation till the end, thunder guide the foe and friend. Flame of fire, flash of light, thunder break the darkest night, no corruption, no deceit, thunder guide the righteous feet, everlasting, strong and true, thunder sound for me and you, eternal voice, eternal song, thunder roar the whole day long. Roll, roll, mighty sound, shake the sky and shake the ground, thunder call, no man can hide, thunder voice for Zion guide. Thunder of Jah, bold and free, sound of truth for you and me, shake the nation, break the chain, thunder voice forever reign, eternal calling, strong and sure, thunder of Jah shall endure. No, 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 no. Zion and ganja, yeah, man. Nightfall come, the world so still, moon of Zion shine Jah will, silver glow upon the land, moonlight blessing by Jah hand, Babylon darkness can't prevail, moonlight guide the righteous trail, every beam a holy flame, moon reflect Jah holy name. Children rest and mothers pray, shadow, not in fear. Moonlight blessing always near. Every cycle strong and true. Moonlight guide both me and you. Ocean tide obey the call. Moonlight blessing shine for all. Traveler lost upon the sea. Moonlight set his spirit free. Every dream a vision clear. Moon of Zion always near. Generations gaze above. Moonlight blessing full of love. Valley, through the plain, moonlight shining joy and pain. Babylon weapon can destroy. Moonlight blessing Jah employ. Every star a witness stand. Moon reflect the holy plan. Endless cycle pure and bright. Moon of Zion guard the night. Prophecy and poet write. Moon inspire Jah light. Every creature small and great. Moonlight bless the righteous fate. From creation till today, moonlight guide the holy way. Eternal promise never cease. Moon of Zion shine in peace. Glow, glow, silver flame, shine forever in Jah name. Guide the children, keep them free. Moonlight shine eternally. Moonlight blessing soft and true. Guide the night for me and you. Shining silver, pure and strong. Moon of Zion all along. Forever glowing, never fall. Bless the people all. Zion echoes, we are the warriors, born in the fire. Heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall. Guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way, but we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry, but the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea, the strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide we through the storm and strife.
We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with JAH, me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but JAH power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of JAH, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. JAH guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try for break we, them try for bind, but the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice JAH speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field, but the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a skunk with Marcus, your man. In the morning, dew so sweet, garden eternal at your feet. Every flower, every tree, sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can destroy, garden bloom with JAH joy. Every root a sacred flame, garden praise JAH holy name. Children plant and harvest grow, garden teach what we must know. Elders sit and share the word, garden song of Zion heard. Not in hatred, not in greed, garden give the righteous seed. Every fruit a gift divine, garden flourish for all time. River flow and birds a sing, garden show the life JAH bring. Prophet walk and angel pray, garden shine the righteous way. Babylon drought can't prevail, garden of JAH never fail. Every season strong and free, garden bear eternity. Families gather side by side, garden spread so far and wide. Every color, every race, garden bloom with JAH grace. Not a prison, not a wall, garden open for all. From creation till today, garden
pushing at the morning, yeah man. Early morning light kiss the hills, smoke rising slow, just spirit it fills. I wrap me dread in sacred thought, one love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth, meditation, bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip, wisdom wine, through herbs and rhythm I realign. Journey through smoke and sky, we see clear in a mystic vibration. Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars, beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer, Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown, only ganja, steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust, in ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow, where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey, through smoke and sky we see clear. In a misty vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophet, hold me faith. Only truth me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon noise decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rising, Jah we praise. Every inhale, a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With roots reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free, to the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain, just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way, Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly, Zion echoes reach the sky. One Nazarene.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a cushion, man. Morning rise, the sky so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy, sun illuminate eternity. with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Son bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion bless below. Son of Zion, pure divine, traveler lost upon the road. Son reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of JAH, forever guide. Generations see the sign. Son of Zion, bright line. Through the storm, Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of JAH light the way. Every heart of fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Son proclaims your mighty name. Son of Zion never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion shine with grace. Everlasting, pure and true. Son of Zion for me and you. From creation till today. Son of JAH forever stay. Shine, shine, holy light. Guide the people through the night. Rise, rise, bright and free. Son of Zion, prophecy. Son of Zion, burning strong, light the people all along from the morning till the end. Son of JAH, a guiding friend, forever shining, never gone. Son of Zion, carry on. Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta pushing at the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock swing between the trees, me feel the breeze. Me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by
sunshine each day. Ital soup in a clay pot boil with coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant JAH Rastafari with soul. Me nah chase riches, me nah seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon torch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No yet, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time, sacred place, yeah. Herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. So me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tone. Zion echoes, we stand alone. In a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night till the night. Aye, aye, aye. Jamaica, she's your man. Early morning sunrise on me windowsill. Burning herbs with peace, Jah love I feel. Me soul awaken, no stress, no war. Just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rastaman living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant now ya bingy, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. Irie rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright. Me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rastaman living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Call me name, ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land, where peace I stay. No politics, no wicked plan, only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep with brethren true, under stars with a cosmic view. Me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chant psalms and dance in grace, with sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane, through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong, and every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rastaman living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant Nyaya Bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me nah be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every shore, and chant for peace forevermore. Yeah, yeah, yes, I am lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss, her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. Inna this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just Phoebe wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.
Na na na, ganja everywhere, yeah man.
Me day up on the earth with no chain for me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Justice on me herbs, a natural life. Me walk barefoot, panja land. Feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper, secrets deep. And me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom are that me need. Herb in a chalice, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta now run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. Ital still cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a Jah place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a Mac and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me in a guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one high, give thanks in song. Rasta not stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me jaw in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every jaw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full. Full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. with your son. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember words. Roots of the morning light, guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting inna me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light, shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite. Me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind reset. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Na na na, Zion Raga, yeah, man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burn the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call
no shadow hide, no darkness stay. Firelight, the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. True Jah love, you will survive. It tests the soul, it make it strong. Teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride. Leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright, fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end, sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above, blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear, Rasta fire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the
Aye, aye, aye. Deep meditation, man. Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretch to reach the sun, blessing all, not just one. Leaves a whisper, Jah command, shade and shelter feed the land. Tree of life will never fall, Jah creation bless us all. Tree of life so strong and free, spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground, keep the peace where life is found. Birds them sing in early morn, nesting branches safe and warm. Fruits are grow for rich and poor, welcome all through open door. It teach the youth to plant and care, share the blessings everywhere. Tree of Zion stand so true, give the strength we carry through. Through the storm and through the drought, tree of life still stand devout. Babylon axe can't cut it down, it wear Jah roots like holy crown. It guard the path to righteous way, mark the place where children play. Every ring inside the wood tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate, hear the whisper, feel the fate. Tree a talk in ancient tongue, tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight, grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it dropped today carries Zion far away. When the moon rise high and bright, trees still guard we through the night. From dawn again till evening call, tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend, it stand in strength till very end. inside. From soil to star, from root to crown, tree of Zion hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of JAH stand mighty still. Tree of life so strong and free, spread JAH love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground, keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side, tree of life forever guide.
Na 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 na. Let the session begin, Zion.
Me walk barefoot on the early dew. Me carry urban heart so true. Me sip tile from coconut shell. Inna the hills where JAH dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit, with wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high, lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty moon. A higher life, me no reborn. With every draw, me spirit grow. In ganja fire, me truths overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks sway in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, not just a fad. It's how me live and me give thanks to that. Zion high, me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in a night. JAH.
spliff with Zion Raga, yeah man. On the Irie Way, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice, start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in our sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in our hand, wisdom in our head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie Way, carry me home, far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with a healing hand. No fear in a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie Way, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta wheel turn in Jah direction. Roots man soul in resurrection. In a chase money, in a chase fame, just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. Of we live humble, of we stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living starts. So when you lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars in the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for race. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie Way, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the highway. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae for the meditation. Words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name.
Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Kaya kushina mi low.
Touch my dread, me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, my spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot on earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with Jah's design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Naya bingy beat.
Me close my eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, my vision get bright.
Lion on my chest, still calm like sea.
Meditation guide I to Jah eternally.
Me no need no clock, time nor run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I tell food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, I shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, fi clean we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace.
Rasta meditation, soul release. Babylon build wall, but me plant vine. Me grow me garden sacred and fine. Banana tree, sweet mango ripe. Me play one rhythm and me hold that pipe. Sound system echo across the hill. Sheep and goat feel the roots man will. We not chase vanity, we chase vibes. Positive frequency, higher tides. Stars talk to I in ancient tongue like Solomon wise. From I was young, me carry the staff. Me know me road, me heart full of love. Me no carry load, me no chant against them. Me chant fi I, fi the youth them wake up, look to sky. Inhale deep, exhale pain. Rasta no sunshine, follow rain. Mystic light, I shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, fi clean we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Jah music heal like river stream. In the heartbeat rhythm, me find me dream. So me play the drum, me sing the song. Me know me roots, me know where me belong. From hills of Jamaica to Europe gate. Zion echo spread love, not preach hate. So come make we reason under moonlight. All a joy, all a vibe, hold it tight. She a melody.
Sacred smoke rise in the morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, the message spread. Herb make the humble find Jah instead. Me kneel pon the ground with the chalice in hand. The smoke at the bridge to the promised land. The morning dew mix with the fire's heat. Herb make the journey feel so sweet. Babylon try to silence Jah word, but the sacred smoke rise, them voices unheard. Through the haze, me see Jah plan. Every puff reveal the truth of man. Herb make the chains of Babylon fall. Sacred smoke rise, answer Jah call. Sacred smoke rising to Jah throne. Herb meditation make the truth be known. From the hills of Zion to the urban sprawl. Sacred smoke rising make the wicked fall. Them criminalize what Jah provide, but Jah herb make me spirit abide. The fire ignite, the smoke make it clear. Rasta chant loud fi Jah draw near. Me gaze pon the stars in the endless sky. Herb make me heart connect so high. The wicked them fight, but Jah herb prevail. Sacred smoke tell the ancient tale. The roots them strong, the leaves divine. Herb make the soul realign. Rasta chant pon the holy flame. Every leaf whisper Jah sacred name. The fire make the weary man find peace. Sacred smoke rise, make the pain release. Sacred smoke rise in a morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, beneath his spur. Herb make the hunger find Jah in stir. Sacred smoke rise in Jah holy grace. Herb make the heart find its rightful place. Sacred smoke guide me through Jah way. Rasta chant strong till the final day.
Ay, 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 ay. Sveka chakalaka yama. Early in the morning, me rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibes alright. Me walk barefoot, pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This are the Irie Way, the only road. Through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This are the Irie Way, me so rejoice. Rasta in a high heart, in a high voice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jah always standing by. Me no need gold or fame to shine. Me wealth is roots, me rhythm, me rhyme. Ganja in me chalice, fire in me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper, ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view. Under the moonlight me chant psalms. Me soul protected, me life calm. Me sister in home, sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and ground in tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float pan rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right, chant the song. So me do that still, each word me write. A touch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, a modern sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the